Pinterest just makes everything look so easy and so elegant, and I am about to try some of my saved hairstyles जो मैं हुण तक कदे try नहीं कीते. I'm like, you know, जदों किते जाना हुंदा है hairstyle नहीं लभदा, और अगर कोई लभ भी जांदा, I try it and it never turns out the way I want it to. Today is going to be kind of like a practice, and also I will see which one looks good on me and which does not, and we will slam Pinterest together. Yeah,
I have saved a few hairstyles and I've sent them on my grandfather's phone because my phone is recording, obviously. So
as you can see, I have a beautiful setup around here जो मैं बिल्कुल हुणी just camera start करन तो पहला you know सारा सजाया है. आपदे वेले मैं पूरी कोशिश कीती है. छोटे बालों दा एक मैनू चक्कर बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है, that is you cannot style them a lot, which I feel like I miss my long hair. I miss my long hair.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
But the plus point is, because I've got like a lot of layers going on, so I don't usually have to style them a lot.
खलार के किते भी पासे you know चीर काट के तुर जाओ and it's just done, it's good. But मैं उससे बोर हो गई हूँ. हर एक फोटो में मैं सेम लगती हूँ, इसलिए I have decided to try on a few hairstyles and learn a few of them. So let's start. I think I'm pretty visible in the mirror. I think I am. Okay. So half updo, absolutely love, which is not on the Pinterest, but I love it. So I think about to start karange just to build a little bit of confidence. Okay. Also, big thing, I cut my nails like really short, like too short. And now I cannot function as a normal human being, you know. My nails were like my whole personality. Now I don't know how to do things. I seriously cannot grip things, you know. I don't know how to function with short nails, seriously. कोई बात नहीं, घर की खेती है, उग जाएंगे. बाल भी घर की खेती है, उग जाएंगे भाई. I miss my long hair and I miss my long nails. This is like the smallest section that I can bring off my hair. I don't usually use a lot of, what do you call this? I just like to use my hands. You know, with nails it was
So easy because I could just, you know, separate the parts. But now it's so hard because I don't have nails.
It's okay. It already looks good, right? I do it in a few different ways. One is just this one,
Which is like this. You just put a clutcher and it's done just like this. Obviously, it looks absolutely gorgeous.
right? One is this, which I really like. The other one, which
I really enjoy, is to, you know, make it like an updo, like so. Just put it here.
Trust the process, okay? Trust the process. Put the clutcher here. Okay, we just have to make it look sundar. Which is this. Looks good. It looks absolutely amazing. This is one of my favorite hairstyles to do on short hair. So it frames my face so well. I love this hairstyle. Sometimes I also make it like a double flick, just like this, which apparently is not looking good to me right now. So the next one that I'm trying to do is this one.
Somewhere around the screen, I don't know where I will put it.
I never used a tail comb seriously because I used to have my very long nails.
So, okay. Stand this one.
यहाँ से partition करनी है हमने till like here. Doesn't look easy though.
Please do not mind my facial expressions while I'm doing these hairstyles. Okay, ji?
We have to pin it at the back, this area. I am just doing it जितना मेरा दिमाग चल रहा है उसके accordingly. ना पार्ट तो अच्छा लग रहा है. Personally feel like why, but it's okay. It's not at all 5 minutes and it's not at all easy to do. Yeah. Okay, that looks odd. For a few of these, hee. How's that?
2 hours later.
I did it. I don't know how it looks. कैसा लग रहा है? It's not that easy to do. And honestly, इतना ज़्यादा सोना नहीं लग रहा है मेरे. One thing I don't like about this one is the pins that are at like the base of my neck. Really uncomfortable. Okay, right? I like this part. I don't like this part. See? I don't know if you can see that. I don't like it. I don't like it. हमें हेयर स्टाइल ट्राई करने हैं. मुझे बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आ रही कैसे किया हुआ है. I can see like two please. Okay, let's try. Now they look complicated, but these hairstyles are very simple. It's from the inside, I guess. Yeah.
Taken another portion right here.
I don't have those pretty bows that she's using, so I will have to work with whatever I have. Honestly, this side looks better because practice नहीं हुई थी ना. अगली बार से इस साइड से पहले स्टार्ट करूँगी. Wow, I look like a cat.
Oh wait, it will look good with bangs, right?
Yeah. They were supposed to whoop in like that, but they're straight. It's cute though. I look like a cat and it looks really good. I like it. And this is how it looks in the back. I don't know if you can see. That looks good. Yeah, it looks really good. It looks easy and looks simple. Just gonna try that. So I saw how she did it, okay? मैंने especially उसका tutorial देखा था. This part separates like this.
And this one goes underneath. And this one has to go over it. Overlap it so that it forms kind of like a poof. Just gonna smooth it out.
And let's do the same on the other side. Okay, yes. Only if I could smooth these things out, but I am not using any hair spray here because
वो ठंड रहेगी तो मैं ऊपर आ गई, so leave it.
on my wavy kind of hair texture it still looks good, yeah, but it will look even better on straighter hair. This one, and this is how it looks from the back. I'm tired. I'm so tired. Who says that these are easy in 5 minutes? Stupid. It is taking me 20 minutes at least. So it's not 5 minutes. Okay. Fit check. हालांकि सबने देखा हुआ है fit, you know, just for the jest. चप्पड़ा पाइयां हुई ने. Why do I think I can do this? I just think I can do this. It looks complicated, but simply see. Front to flex एक बारी separate करके you have to twist from the top, and since I'm doing from the right side you cannot really see it here. And yes, fail होना भी ज़रूरी है. चाहती तो ऐसे भी घूम सकती थी दुनिया में, लेकिन मेरी मस्ती तो देखो. मुझे ये सब चोचले करने हैं. क्यों करने हैं भाई? क्यों करने हैं? क्या चाहिए तुम्हें इनमें से? वैसी दिखोगी, ठीक है? ऐसी दिखने वाली हो. हाँ नहीं तो. Oh yes, I get distracted a lot. I'm a yapper. मेरा आर्म वर्कआउट हो रहा है पूरा का पूरा आर्म वर्कआउट, क्योंकि इनने में बाल खिंच के झाड़ते हैं ना थल्ले अज. मम्मी देखे तो मैंने बहुत गाना कड्डे. It's actually quite hard to braid hair this short. Please, don't bring me the tease when I just did my hair so nice. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you don't embarrass me, mother. Yeah. This is so cute. I look like those anime characters, you know. It's so cute. I love it. I'm gonna do this a lot more now. And the back is really not my problem, but let's see how it looks. I can't see. You can see. I'll see in the video. It's cute though, I love it. I think it's really good. Also tell me, should I get bangs? What do we think? What do we think? This is my absolute favorite hairstyle. Absolute. Now, because I really like it, I'm going to end the video in bangs only, so that you can see and tell me if it looks really good on me or not. Tell me which one was your favorite among all these before I lose all my bobby pins and my rubber bands. इसी तरह मुस्कुराते रहें और हमें देखते रहें. हमें देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. फिर मिलेंगे आपको अगली वीडियो में. Till then, and have a really good time, and I will see you soon. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel to see more of such videos, and hit that bell icon as well, and comment down below if I should get bangs or not, and also comment down which one of these was your favorite hairstyle and which one would you like to. And if you want me to try some of your favorite hairstyles, you can send them to me on my Instagram. Just DM me right there. I'll try my best to try all of those hairstyles. Don't forget to like this video and share भी कर दो. सबको पता लगना चाहिए कि Pinterest के hairstyles इतने easy नहीं होते हैं करने. And till then, bye bye. I'll see you soon because we are just getting started.